Hello guys, in this tutorial video you will learn how to upload video files to your account on Google Drive, for example to save them in your storage or to share them with your friends and contacts via their Google Drive account. So let us get started. In the first step, head over to Google Drive and make sure that you log in with your associated Google account to gain access to your files and folders here on Google Drive. So what you want to do is click on that plus new icon in the top left corner of your home screen. And after that, you will see that drop-down menu. So you can decide whether you would like to upload a single file or an entire folder containing several or multiple files, or create a new folder. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to upload a normal size video in MP4 format, for example. You may also use the shortcut Alt-C then U for that. So click on File Upload. After that, locate the video file on your device, for instance on your laptop or your PC. Confirm and wait for the upload process to be finished. You will see the progress here at the bottom right corner. And once the upload has been completed, your video will appear or will be listed here inside your Google Drive account, so that you may do with it whatever you like, edit it, modify it, move it to a specific location, share it with your contacts, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, that's how it works. Hope this video was helpful, and we'll catch you later.